Staubbach Waterfall, that is about 297 meters. This is a landmark of Lauterbrunnen, the highest free-falling waterfall. You're getting a view from the cable car, and it was so beautiful and breathtaking view from the cable car, completely mesmerized by the beauty of nature that God has created. And giving a thumbs up, really beautiful, speechless. Lauterbrunnen is one of the villages, and it's truly beautiful. And during the high seasons, the Staubbach waterfall is illuminated. So you can see how beautiful it is. And zooming in the camera to see the waterfall. Wow. Speechless. And finally landed. We've come to a stop. The cable car has come to a halt. Getting off the cable car now. So I hope you all enjoyed seeing the beautiful view.